Tinubu of APC has nearly removed all the businesses in Rivers State to Lagos. All our businesses in Rivers State, he moved to Lagos. He connived to move them to Lagos. He wants to kill on airport. He wants to kill Port Harcourt port. He wants to kill Bonny Deep Sea port. We will not vote for somebody in Rivers State who will kill our businesses, kill our economy. We will not vote for somebody whose agenda is to destroy the economy of Rivers State. If you kill on airport, you kill Port Harcourt port, you make sure that the Bonny Deep Sea port doesn't come about and not destroy our economy. Then you move the headquarters of all the oil companies to Lagos. Meanwhile, we produce the oil. Atiku Abubakar has committed to making sure that the oil companies should bring their headquarters back. And those are the things that we look. Those are our interests. Whose presidency will benefit Rivers people the most? Atiku Abubakar's presidency will benefit Rivers people the most. That is why we stand with him for the sake of our children. We stand with Atiku Abubakar. We stand with Okowa as his vice president. If all of us put our hands together, we will definitely succeed. I want to use the opportunity of your visit to appeal to my brother and friend, the governor of Rivers State, to please sheath his sword. The point he has made has been well taken. We plead with him to come back to his party. He has contributed more than anybody else to the progress of this party, PDP. He swore that whoever became presidential candidate, that he will support that person. Let him not go back on his words. I plead with him that he should sheath his sword. He should embrace Atiku Abubakar and Okowa and let us resolve whatever is there on the table can always be resolved. But we know Atiku will win.
Yes.
But if Atiku will win with 60%, yes, we know that if Wike joins the Atiku project, Atiku will win by 90%. So we want to win by 90%.
Yes.
We don't want to win by 60%. We want to win by 90%. So let our governor join us. All of us have to pray. All of us have to pray to God to soften the mind of the governor of Rivers State. Let him come back and ensure that the victory of Atiku Abubakar is 90% and not 60%. On that note, I want to once again say thank you very much for coming. I want to reassure you that we will work with you.